Welcome back, TorchedFF. I invite you to grab a box of tissues. Today we're practicing Pranayama. I know we've done a lot of asana, but that's not all there is to yoga. Your breath is your most powerful tool, so let's use it in all the ways. Today we are using our breath to practice Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati is known as the skull cleansing breath, your fire breath, also known as the caffeine breath. So here's a good challenge. If you drink coffee, I invite you to do Kapalabhati in place of your coffee for a week. See how it affects you. Of course, drink water. Majority of the time, our body is craving water and breath. So try that on. Let me know how it works in the comments. Kapalabhati is in through the nose, out through the nose, and we push further with the exhale. So we are squeezing our low core, our lower belly in toward the spine, right beneath your belly button. If you look into Taoism, they recognize this as the Dantian. Not going to get into that right now. But for your breath, let's take the next few moments to settle in here. Inhale through the nose. Exhale. Breathe in. Out. One more inhale. Release it all. You can keep your eyes closed. You can look at one point of stillness. Relax your body. Let your shoulders soften down the back. Extend all four corners of your neck toward the ceiling. Inhale through the nose. Out through the nose. From the bottom, begin. Inhale. Exhale and pause at the bottom. When you have the urge to take a breath in, take it. Try to hang out in the bottom as long as you can comfortably. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do it twice more. Going for a count of 30. Inhale. Out. Begin. In. Out. Hang it at the bottom. The exhale that we use to push is abrupt and aggressive, yes. But because it is so abrupt, it allows air to be forced back into our lungs. So we can still maintain comfortability in the bottom of our exhale. Take another breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Begin. In. Out. Stay at the bottom. Inhale deeply. Exhale, let it out. Beautiful job. Again, let me know how that goes in the comments. I want you to try this on for a week in the morning when you wake up. when you're getting ready, when you want to go for the coffee, invite Kapalabhati into your day. May you continue to lead with love, for love will certainly follow, hands to your mouth. May you speak with compassion and with grace, with kindness and with peace, hands to the forehead. The big, beautiful, bright light within me sees, honors, cherishes, loves, and is inspired by the big, beautiful, bright light within each and every one of you. Inhale. As we bow together, we say, Namaste. Peace and love. Keep showing up for you. Take what you need whenever you need it. We'll catch you in the next one.